In this video tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the GCSE Maths Progress Test 4A, and it's aimed at the foundation tier students, so around grade 3, grade 4 for GCSE 9 to 1 Maths, but it also may be appropriate for higher tier students like revising this topic or these topics, and also for Key Stage 3 math students as well, and for anyone that is wanting to learn a bit of algebra, okay, for their maths. Okay, this is question number 1. Simplify f plus f plus f plus f plus f plus f. Well, I've got 6 f's altogether actually, so I'm going to have 6f. Okay, so when I combine it, f plus f plus f plus f plus f plus f is written as 6f. This is question number 2. Simplify d times d times d times d times d. Well, that's going to be d to the power of 5. Okay, this is question number 3. Multiply out this single bracket. 4 lots of 3x minus 1. Well, 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, so the answer is 12x subtract 4, okay, or minus 4 plus 12x. Either way is going to be fine. This is question number 4. Solve this equation. X divided by 2 is 10. Well, the opposite of dividing by 2 is to multiply by 2. So I times by 2 on both sides of my equation to balance it respectively. Okay, so on the left hand side, I just get x. On the right hand side, I get 10 times 2, which is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20. This is question number 5. Solve 5n plus 4 is equal to 20. Well, if I subtract 4 on both sides of my equation, again balancing it on each side, okay, respectively, I get 5n is equal to 16. Okay, dividing both sides by 5, because 5n means 5 times n, so dividing both sides by 5, I get that x is equal to 16 fifths. Okay, so 16 fifths. Okay, that should be a line there. Okay, so 16 over 5. There we go, okay. Or I can write it as like a mixed number or as a decimal. Okay, so anything equivalent to 16 fifths. This is question number 6. 2x plus 10 is equal to 4. Well, again, subtracting 10 on both sides. Sorry, guys. So minusing 10 on both sides of my equation, I'm going to get 2x is equal to negative 6. Dividing both sides by 2, I'm going to get that x is equal to negative 3. Okay, because remember that 2x means 2 times x. Okay, so the opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we get that x is equal to negative 3. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense so far. Okay, this is question number 7. Solve this equation. Well, if I expand the brackets on my left hand side, I get 5 times 2x, which is 10x, and then I get 5 times negative 1. So again, being very careful with our signs, is negative 5. 10x minus 5 is equal to 35. Adding 5 to both sides of my equation and then dividing it by 10, we get that x is equal to 40 divided by 10, which is equal to 4. Okay, because adding 5 to both sides, I get that 10x is equal to 40. Therefore, x is equal to 40 divided by 10, which is equal to 4. Okay, so just a little side here actually, sorry if I've jumped a step. So 10x is equal to 40, and then dividing both sides by 4, I get that x is equal to 10. Okay. This is question number 8. Harry has M marbles. Okay. So Penelope has 3 times as many marbles as Harry does. Algernon has 1 less marble than Penny because he lost 1 last week. Write an expression for in terms of M for the number of marbles Algerian has. Okay, so Penny has 3 lots of it. So Penny has 3M because 3 lots of M times 3 is written as 3M. Algernon has 1 less than Penny, so Algernon has 3M take away 1. Okay, so 3M subtract 1, or I can write it as -1 plus 3M. Okay, either way is going to be correct, okay, for the examiner. Okay, there should be a 1 there. -1 plus 3M, or 3M minus 1. Okay. This is question number 9. The first 4 terms of a sequence are shown below. 3, 9, 15, 21. Write an expression for the nth term of this sequence. Well, each time I'm adding on a 6. So it's going to follow the 6n times table. Okay, 6n is the 6 times table. Okay, so I'm going to have 6, 12, 18, 24. But to go from 6 to 3, I'm going to subtract 3. So the answer is 6n minus 3, or minus 3 plus 6n. Okay, either way is going to be fine. Okay, this is question number 10. Okay, plot the graph y equals 3x minus 1 on the grid below. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have a table of values. Okay, for us to actually plot this graph. Okay, so we're going from -3 to 3. Okay, we'll just go from -2 to 2, and then it'll give us like a rough idea. Okay. So, when x equals 0, I have 3 times 0 minus 1 is going to be -1. When x equals 1, 3 times 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. When x equals 2, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So it's going up in 3s. So that's going to be -4. That's going to be -7. Okay, and then if you're interested in what -3 is, -3 would actually be -10, and then 3 would be equal to 8. Okay, right. So looking at our grid actually, so we've got -2, -7, so that's off the charts. -1, -4, so that's going to be there. Okay, we're going to have 0, -1. We're going to have 1, 2. Then we're going to have 2 and 5. Okay, so getting our ruler now and drawing this accurately. Okay, it's going to look something like that. Okay, but going through all of the points. Okay, so I might just try that again because I'm doing it freehand here, which is obviously a bit more trickier. Okay, but it's meant to go through all those points there, guys. Okay, so it is actually a bit tricky. Okay, so something like that, okay, going through all of those points. And that's how we plot a straight line equation, okay, in the form y equals mx plus c, okay. So it is like a linear graph, a straight line graph. Okay, this is question number 11. Find the value of x by solving the equation. Well, angles in a triangle add up to 180. So I'm going to have x plus 10 plus x plus 20 has to equal 180. So x plus x plus x is 3x. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. I've got 3x plus 30. So angles inside of a triangle have to add up to 180. Okay. Subtracting 30 on both sides, I get 3x is equal to 150. Dividing both sides by 3, we get that x is equal to 50. So he's just asked us to work out the value of x. So the 3x plus 30 has come from adding these together. So I've got x plus 10 plus x plus 20 has to equal 180 okay. Collecting the like terms on the left hand side ends up giving me this equation here. So x plus x plus x is 3x, 10 plus 20 is 30, okay, and then I solve the equation and I get x is equal to 50. Okay, this is question number 12. Show the inequality minus 5 is less than x and less than minus 2 on a number line. So it is going to be a hollow circle, so because it's not got an equal sign, and then it's going to minus 2. Okay, and it's also a hollow circle at minus 2 because it's not got the line below it, so it's not less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay, so it's just like a hollow circle. Okay, this is question number 13. Solve the inequality 2x plus 4 is greater than 10. Well, again, solving like an equation, if I subtract 4 on both sides of my inequality, I get 2x is greater than 6. Dividing both sides by 2, I get that x is greater than 3. Okay. And that is my solution for question number 13. So solving a linear inequality is treated the same as solving an equation. You balance the sides and you isolate it. So it's just a letter on its own, but keep the sign there. Okay, the same. Okay, so the sign's not actually very meaningful in our context. It's just saying that x is strictly greater than 3, so x can take a value bigger than 3. So x could equal 4 would satisfy this. X equals 5. Okay, and then so on and so forth. So any number bigger than 3, okay, would actually satisfy this inequality. Okay, right guys, so that is the end of today's video. So I sincerely hope that you found it useful. Hope you found it informative. If you did, please press like, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, okay, and also please turn on post notification by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abdallah W and I run the Abdallah Maths tutoring channel. Okay, and I do also offer like private tuition, so please get in touch with me if you're looking for like a private maths tutor for Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE and A-level maths. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Okay, I really do appreciate it. Okay, please lastly, okay, share this video actually and share this channel with your friends or anyone that might benefit from extra math support. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.